Good afternoon guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at why Brum the Jeep got defected by the Queensland police and what we're going to do to fix it. Alright guys, so there's 3 reasons that Brum the Jeep got defected the other morning. So the story goes that I was just on the way to work, turning around the roundabout, and there was a booze stop there, checking for people that are either drink driving or under the influence of drugs. Which is fine, I've got no issues with that. But the Queensland Motor Transport Unit, I think they're called, was there as well. So what they're checking for is illegally modified vehicles, whether they're too high, too low, modifications that aren't certified, that sort of thing. But also checking defects like bored tyres, bad brakes, that sort of thing. So I pulled up, got breathalyzed, and there was a woman walking around the outside of Brum, and she looks into the window and says, "Do you mind just pulling in front of that police car over there?" I said, "Oh, that's right, yeah, no worries." So she walks up and she says, "You've got no mud flaps." I said, "No mud flaps?" She's like, "Yeah, it's by Queensland law, you have to have a pair of mud flaps attached to your vehicle." I said, "I'm sorry, I didn't know that." So apparently you have to have mud flaps attached to every vehicle registered in Queensland. So that's my first defect, and the one that I'm a bit iffy about. If it's legal, it's illegal, but yeah, mud flaps, it's one of those stupid things. Second one is I have a big crack in my windscreen, which I knew about, I was a little bit too lazy to get it fixed, so I've got to get that done. And also tail light bulb had blown. So 3 things, 3 silly things. Now there's no fine or anything like that involved with these things. I've got 2 weeks to kind of fix everything, get the piece of paper signed by the person who ever installs the windscreen, and send it back to them. So there's no check-up, I don't have to take it into somewhere and make sure that all gets done. But if I get pulled up again, then they'll start handing out a fine. So apparently by Queensland law you have to run a mud flap that will cover the width of your tyre and come down 300mm, I believe. So there's a little like lip on the bottom of that there that I think I'm just going to get a universal black mud flap, drill it into that, kind of bolt it on so it's nice and secure. But it's on, that's, I don't know if you can see that, but that's on a bit of a angle, so I don't really want the flap to be sitting on an angle. I kind of want it sitting flat and to come down X amount. So in the next couple of days I'll be looking at changing that over. So, but if you guys got any suggestions on if you guys are running these sort of guards, what kind of mud flaps, or if you guys run mud flaps at all, what I should do, because I can either bolt it to that, have it coming down, or yeah, bolt it to it and attach it to the rear bar somehow, I'm not sure. But just thought I'd let you guys know what the go is with getting defected. I know that a lot of people in the States or other countries have different laws, and unfortunately Australia is one of those countries that have really strict, silly, kind of stupid laws. But it's funny enough that they didn't pick up on other defects. I've got no sway bar connected at the moment, no license plate light. My tyres for Queensland law are above the legal limit, so I think you can run up to 285 or something like that, and I'm running a 31-inch tyre, so that's above the legal limit. So there's a lot of stuff that I didn't pick up on. Oh, my eBay lights are not DOT approved for Queensland regulations, so I suppose mud flaps, windscreen and tail light are pretty good considering there's a few other things wrong. So over the next couple of days I'll be fixing those up and getting Brum back to legal. Alright, that's it for today guys. I hope you guys got a little bit of entertainment out of Queensland's stupid laws about having to run mud flaps and so forth. I know it's a stupid thing, but if I don't get tickets and spend more money on something, it could end up costing me $30. I could get a $200 fine instead. So, well, I suppose that's life really. But if you guys got any suggestions on different types of mud flaps I could use, or something that might look quite cool, please let me know. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.